This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the phone's ability to ring. First, enable Do Not Disturb or airplane mode so incoming call signaling is suppressed. Then, open WhatsApp settings and turn off call notifications. This prevents visual and audible alerts while maintaining message access. Make sure background data and battery saver aren't set to override DND, otherwise WhatsApp may still surface a ring. Once done, your phone will be effectively unreachable for WhatsApp calls while still letting texts arrive silently. Next, you explicitly remove the app's ability to accept real-time calls. On Android or iOS, go to App Permissions and revoke microphone and camera access. This causes calls to fail or appear unreachable. Additionally, disable Background App Refresh or VO IP background access so WhatsApp can't wait to accept a call. Once adjusted, ask a trusted contact to call. You'll observe the call drops or shows unreachable. This step forces call failure while preserving text delivery and your privacy settings. To finish, ensure you combine Do Not Disturb with revoked permissions for reliable results. Make sure WhatsApp notification tones are muted and background access is off. These together create a consistent not reachable state. If a call still gets through, toggle airplane mode briefly, then re-enable to reset network registrations and retest. If problems persist, restart the phone to apply permission changes and clear caches. This usually resolves lingering connectivity that lets calls slip through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.